In order to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 by using settings, first we need to open settings. Next we're gonna scroll down until you find the general option. There we go, let's select it. Then scroll down and you should be able to find the reset option. So go over here, then you have the information, what will happen. So of course if you reset, all personal information will be erased from your watch. So let's press reset. Of course you can still back up your watch data on your phone at least. And that's pretty much it. So let's wait patiently. You should see your watch data being backed up. And after that our watch will reboot. So we need to wait again. And after a short while the reset should be done. You will see the One UI loading screen, then Samsung Galaxy again. And once again we have the setup where we need to choose our language and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.